Do we create one catalogue or many? Well, as usual, there's no simple black and white answer to this, and it's going to depend on how many images you generally shoot. If you don't shoot that many, probably one catalogue will be enough. But if you shoot a lot of images, and many of us do, having a single catalogue file for all our images may bring up too many images when we do a search. We can get overwhelmed by our own system, which is designed to help. If you only shoot a few pictures each week, let's say from between 20 and 50, then having your images in a single Lightroom catalogue may be the best option. But at some stage, when your catalogue builds up, which it will, you may decide to archive your existing Lightroom catalogue and create a new one. We can always move between catalogues quite quickly and easily. If you shoot quite a lot of images each week, maybe 200 to 300, then maybe a yearly catalogue is a better approach. Now, don't take these numbers too literally, because I sometimes go weeks without shooting many images, then go away for a few weeks and maybe shoot 5,000. So we've got to work with averages here. But that, I find, is quite convenient to reference our images into the year they were shot. I think most of us can recall what year an image was shot, so a yearly catalogue will work well for most people. Given that we can quickly open other catalogues anyway, there is no great problems here. If you shoot a one-off event, like maybe something we've done in the past, the Bristol Hot Air Balloon Fiesta in England, then we could create a Lightroom catalogue just for those images if we wanted to. But I suppose that once again it depends how many images we shoot and what our personal preferences are. There's no one size fits all. So I suppose if you push me into a definite answer, I would go for an annual catalogue. Each year I'd start a catalogue, and I would also keep all of my images and my catalogue in one file, and we'll be doing that a little bit later.